Hello! Today, I'm going to be making a cake. Not just any kind of cake, because it's not going to be a box cake. Today, I'm going to be making a wacky cake from the Depression era. First things first, I don't need this hat. It's not even a baker's cap. Anyway, first thing I need to do is go and get the ingredients. Alrighty. Now we've got all of our ingredients. Next thing I need to do is... next thing I need to do is get the measuring equipment and the baking pan. One moment. Alrighty, now we've got the tools. It's time to make this thing. Here we've got my handwritten recipe. You probably can't read that, but that's fine, because I can't read it either. Alright, so first things first. Cup of flour. Where's the flour? Of course, the furthest item back. Where's the 1 cup? That's a cup. Yes, cup of flour is the first ingredient. So just get a bunch of flour. I'm gonna have to refill this thing. This thing's almost out of flour. But anyway, you get a cup of flour. Just pour that in. As one does. Alright, now we've got flour. I can close that back up so I don't accidentally spill it. And a cup of sugar. Just big old cup. First thing I gotta break up clumps in here. Alright, cup of sugar. Just get cup sugar. There you go. There's clumps. Yes, I don't really care. It'll work out fine the way it is. Alright, there's the sugar. Where's the lid? There's the lid. Alright, cocoa powder. But you can put the lid on right for the sugar first. Get cocoa powder. Alright, what do I need of that? Tablespoon. Where's the tablespoon? Which one of these is table? This table? Yes, this is table. The big boy spoon is tablespoon. Alright, so I just got, got it on my hand, oh well. It's good enough. This is baking. It may give me precise measurements. I'm not going to be precise at all. Alright, there's the cocoa powder. Take the lid on and just slap it on there, because done with that. Alright, baking soda. I need a tablespoon of that, right? Teaspoon, no, teaspoon. Teaspoon baking soda. This is taking forever because I'm horrible at this, but it's also because it won't go out. I'm missing the spoon by the measuring equipment by like a lot. That's probably good enough. Alright, there's baking soda. Alright, and then I need half a teaspoon of salt. My favorite, salt. Alright, just gotta pour this in here. Alright, there we go. That was probably the easiest one to do. Alrighty, then I'm just gonna take a measuring cup and flatten this thing out. As one does. Alrighty. Then we take in the smaller measuring cup that I'm probably not going to use at all, that I probably should have used to begin with. Because I got to make 3 wells. So just that, do that, and that. There you go, those are 3 wells. And now we add the wet ingredients. Vegetable oil. 6 tablespoons of it. Where's the tablespoon at? Here it is. 6 tablespoons of vegetable oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Alright. Oh no, it spelled the other wells. That's okay because everything's getting mixed together anyway. Alright, now a tablespoon of vinegar, cider. I'm going to be back over here getting it because I've been told I have to do that over the sink. Which I guess that makes sense. It's vinegar. No one wants to smell that. If I spill it. So, one moment. This is going to just quickly disappear. If you hear a loud crash, that's me dropping the entire thing. And this bit, but then again, you're probably not going to hear that because that means the video's not getting released. Bit more. Alright, there we go. Vinegar done. Oh gosh, the smell of vinegar. I hate it. Yeah, they're sizzling because that's what happens with baking soda and vinegar mix. And what's alright? Teaspoon. Where's teaspoon at again? Yes, teaspoon. Got vanilla extract. Yeah, just extracted it out of, I don't know. Where does vanilla extract come from? I don't know. Is vanilla like a plant or something? Anyway, just got a teaspoon, pour that in. The vanilla extract is the best smelling thing in this thing so far. Alrighty, now that's all done. Water, cup of water. Wait, I don't need the I'm doing the measuring cup anyway because why not? I just gotta pour in a cup of water. Got a cup? Nope, not yet. There you go, cup of water. And I just gotta pour that all over. You hear that in the background? That's the bird. It's loud and talking to itself at times. Just ignore it. Anyway, we got all the water in there. Be quiet. I'm trying to cook. Bake, whatever. Ignore that. Anyway, now we fork it. Yeah, you stir it with a fork. I don't know why you stir it with a fork. You just do. I don't know. I didn't make the instructions on this thing. Maybe they didn't have spoons in the Great Depression era. I don't know. I'm not going to question it. Yeah, anyway, we just stir this up by, a lot until it's all, I don't know, liquidy or mixy or something. I don't know. I just got to stir this thing by, a lot. I don't really know what I'm doing. This is only the second time I've made this because I had to do a trial run to make sure I wasn't going to burn the house down when I made this. So I'll see you when I'm done mixing this. Alrighty, so it's all mixed up, and now I need to go and do the first step because I completely forgot to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Oh dear. Where's... Right, 350, yeah. No. Sure, yeah, it's preheating. Okay, well, now I gotta wait for the oven to preheat because I forgot to do that. So, Yeah, that's fun. You can tell this is just going great. Absolutely great. I guess I could stir it a bit more. Try to get some of the clumps out. I could also look up probably whether or not they had spoons during the Great Depression. Alrighty, so the oven is now done preheating, and they did in fact have spoons during the Great Depression. I just don't know why they didn't use them to make this recipe. So now I just gotta put this thing in the oven. Oven mitts, right? Yes, those would be needed because I'm not about to set my hands on fire. So yeah, just gotta pick this thing up, take it over to the oven. Alright, center that. And then, how long did I put in for? 30 to 40 minutes. Alright, 35. Got it. 35 minutes. Okay. That's all in the oven. I gotta clean up and see you when the cake's ready to get taken out of the oven. Alrighty, so the cake is officially done and out of the oven. Just waiting on it to cool. I had a few mishaps, mainly the fact that learned that the bird can in fact mimic the oven, because I put it in before it was done preheating because the bird made the exact same noise as the oven announcing it's done preheating. So yeah, it might be a bit cursed, but you know what? It's fine. We'll be back when it's time to cut the cake. Alright, so now that the cake's cooled off, it's time to go and cut the cake. I'm kidding. I'm not using this to cut the cake. I'm going to use an actual knife, butter knife, because we're being safe. Okay, and alright, there you go. Cake's all cut up. Now I'm gonna snatch up a slice. So I'm just gonna grab a fork and gotta go grab a plate. Where's plates? Right there behind me. Oh boy, this is just falling apart. Oh, it's just falling apart. It is just falling apart. Well, time to taste test it. If you hear me fall to the ground, that's because I died from this being horrible. So just gonna, if I could get a piece of it on the fork. Still good. It's just thick. Mm. You know, otherwise it's still good. But dry, but could be because of the issues with preheating the oven because of a certain bird. What? Oh, I've just realized something. I also forgot half a cup of flour in it. Oops. But yeah, it's we got cake made. So yeah. Um Basically the way you can tell if it's done is you take a toothpick and you stick it in it. If it comes out clean, you're good. When I do that, I just wasted a toothpick. Anyway, I guess thanks for watching. You enjoyed. Subscribe. I'm probably gonna post a picture of this paper in my community tab. If you enjoyed it, if you're new, if you enjoyed it, like it. If you're new, subscribe. And comment on what I should make next for something to make. Should I bake next or even cook something next? So I haven't actually cooked anything on here except for that s'mores ramen cup, which doesn't count. But yeah, if you want me to make something else, just comment it, and I might make it, depending on if I have the means to do so. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.